experimental. Who State Boys?
How now call ye ya no. Na chief executive can say when him say state experimental crowds so ye be see. Who's a state experimental? Ewo somewhere I Akoma.
It one here.
State boys
okay.
And state girls.
State girls.
But okay. Hono ye girls no na what this. Boys no cry them here so say go. Enwu ya ho. But a coffin.
Okay, so State Boys.
A coffin.
Yeah, no confused.
State
Boys. State Boys.
Maybe a day a call any day.
State Boys.
Maybe a Nazube can say cars BCC any money could a hoye girls. Sa maybe a could now. Hey girls. Hoye girls.
And
on the bank and the bank
Astrotef no. And I call the other side of boys. Okay. Sir John, no crew woman say we went there. Ye call ye call ye no koye kuti omanum asem me ya ete ye beka ho asem wo afidie kase so me ya team ayi na ye koy Sir John no kure pa e wo mu ne se asem a me ya eka wa ha tama no react to the story ene okoho so di okan na difference bi enim in fact dealers ni mu bi kure ho no ka se oh omo ne ya adwen name my dear no more pie extension. Sir John Crew, when he said, Fazi acquire na almost say me ya momo, Mamma Camea, KMA, a momo 1 week. Na almost percent common yam reni be count. Na almost immediate to moniama. You crew woman. In fact, story in a barbon teno, me ya kasoki. Any sanity, dear. Any. Obema more. In fact, initially a year 2 no kas debi. Ono de omonye ne 3. Me kai pa that meeting. Patasia Assemblyman. Ono Papa Titia. Aha. MC ono na ye the chairman of that technical committee. Yes.
Conveners no
yes. Oka ho. And also Assemblyman so eye member. Inti me ya to ma wo mo. Se mo de Mwan kasa montana se na mo extension but me force se mo extension Sir John no crew mu ne say afin say kura de atwam 1 month me dear to be very honest with you no crew de eye ba kope mayor ensem o kan about development a echo o kan radio so ye o kan the same thing e mo ti ase Adeba ko kan ya there was no reaction from dealers no ne say when ye pese ye part of the beautification of a Kumase no a can project ne ho omugitu mu say enti when ye pese ye niema mienu ya ebesi ana say mu amonko pesika na monfa meye isejontie the project na nkasa afanumienu nyaji atum se beboa because ye call hono there wasn't any reaction say yem pepsa project no omunyaji tum say sa project na wo say eba so nemum no kwan be na project no befa so ebeba so already ye free extension ni wo extension de o mate ase ama me yokra ma o more time inti ho de ye free ho now ya ba project ne so afanumienu nyina say project ne de eye ekwan a project nbe fa so aba no ano ne ade ayede aka enti design you design se mu wo musika anasa ngwa ko contractor e design ne de amamo na mosi enu ye baako munni ahoɔden no so a ye bema obi asi mienu ba ni nyina ko wi ade baako project no so Sir John no kwasem ne se da na ye wo ho no o hwe enkoma na ekoso a na eye clear se dealers no enni saa ahoɔden no itebekwa ko wie se ewo se obi ede esi 87.9 Kumasi iti emesenka ade ne de nkeno ano no etwetia na o hwe model na KMA si opese o de ba ana saa project na o de ba no a medikan ka se there was no opposition from the dealers ne say yempe So they say and derive from day one no moji tum say e wo say omoye so me as obia me ejina baby independent person no dia me pese me hu ni say omo wie project no a bosha e wo ho anase ade a dealers na hwe ni mu ni say yesu benya kwan say omo be ye glass beboa no me display omo cars omo so betimi anya say konya no me de bia me kan say KMA for we project no a priority I mean the dealer should be a priority. Eba say omo tompo a the dealers should be a priority. Emi enkoye ni say o omo ano omo ho dada no yi omo esi nchen nya kofa obi foforo da bi eba sa ade a ede ani brebeba. Nemum dealers no sebe de wapoto onchi so odi bom. It dealers should be a priority. It matters a project na share say yeah. Dealers should be the priority. Inti yebesre omoma kwan na ade no nkoso. So ho. Na emom no so mu wi ye nyina ade anu betum say there should be priority. Ena say eba say ebi ade no eye bi a asem keke na make on. Ye ma store ba ko a 100,000. Asem keke na make. Once we dealer or no eti ho no omoma payment na flexible ma wo mo so omoma payment na enye flexible ma wo but say John having said all these things in so no came so mo omomwa wo mo na relocation process na so ntimi enye soft ma wo mo
and then one of the things
yes baby o me do o be kono because o mo git tum say ho no de o me free ho so o mo free ho eti relocation o came ntimi so mo a wo mo na o mo ntimi nya baby na o mo nko say John na asem de na asem ko
asem de na asem be ko anopai ma
because oni me ntwa wa no oni hwe de tie ni o say John say we ye contractor on na mo sensan krata nyina wi a yama period afesi fire adwuma no si bia me fan say e wo say o ye adwuma no yama say by ye adwuma by next month is in June by middle of June we project no na bibi sanka na etwekọ animu o contractor ho na oboka wonim sa because already no budget Akoma mo dada si bia o the cement bia 100 na be yes adwuma no unit cost of per a bag of cement no eka ho Ghana ye wono ade chi bia no a nema ekosoro eti contractors bebre wo ha sometimes ya na ye bom achi unim say John contractors bebre wo ho a aban so ni o ma ani ni yi anase timamufo no edru say o mobilizing nema de ko site ne ko hye dwumadi na se no opposition bi wo ho eti da bibia be ye din obe mobilize akono na cost of project na sa akosoro already wasensan krata je hu ska awie ebi a wontimi nsa ade sa cost na wontimi transfer that cost no to nipa no a or employee no anase or the contract ne man no na fi be ne ka
sa de na affect yen boy basa contractor ne sa ba
yes
to assembly say yeman extension
because
time also the koye adwuma
yes
a delay
no
man 4 years them fanisa 4 years we twa be 1.5 years
yes
afi no obe start na ka chen so mfa 4 years is I can 2.5
I can 2.5
it also obe pre extension
yes
and that one too it affects the assembly it na amazu by this time no say so the bibi ma obi go and prepare the land and hand over to the contractor
yes
and until no yes our processing nyina na omotena ase dwen ho yes anu ma we nyina so until now na Drew say assembly be hand over the site to the contractor so that the time I agree with assembly no obetima heden ediso
yeah
it is one year obeba wo twa years obesa be pre we che na assembly no so say
and I say won say we tin a why we do ne say the one obeye into be wie no na project quality na kasa no so no akwa bibia wo ho say Johnson dey adene koyem the one dey we are near it me say no
o ma sem no yeah but
so me I feel say
omo aso mistake
yes
because they're giving you opportunity to do a project and not for near my option say also be because Evans say you buy ni nya information say ama omo option no msi sika no so muntimi nya kemu bi nka buy na be da so ta o machi on ya make sure I dey no be atena ho na ye be bibi was oh ya contact omo through the assembly member ni submetro na na ye ade na untimi nya ne nche se ma ye
Zuba can see woman
so
say me mam options
because
untimi nya okay I know the san komo ne course
so
it's na fe no
me if I no na won ye see mfa ma wo dia na ye kwa ma so I say no ni ho na ye kwa ma wo dia because untimi nya nche se ni kwan se ye
she also receive petition na the necessary steps I'm taking on my head, but the issue is that contractor no dey a juma penifo atena say assembly no agi atumu say onye juma no ntie bia bibi wo ho a omo no request for bia extension of time and other things a ni nyina ya niam ebe ko so yensusu ye de ni de akire but say dey wo ka no e bia obi be ka say nkomo yi ase ye nye consist ye brief ye listeners on it ye follow ni eguso ye follow that. Now, no some of the petition Kokrano, reporter also followed. Yes. Something that we are also monitoring.
Oh, but I know they say within the law, the petition. But I believe, or the local government, and I say, but you call Zuba.
You cannot create. Oh yeah. Baby, I didn't could know. Yeah, me Anna. Mbobia. Oh, state boys. Oton cars na uti. Baby, I didn't could know. See, I did also omo. Etu hwana mo me on petition no me gidi say me nya hu petition dey but so almost menshia nsase e wa hanyina menshia na yewura na ene dia ti bi omo ko se bia yewura emo omo baabi so omni KMA
na omunya baabi so a ya omo bargaining empress omo so e di omo nsa bi daache
yes
because me concern say car for no even so we are majority of our areas some ba our first but omo tena wan no anso omo tena wan say document
na
dem so obi aba no abe ni you free ho no corner we so
nya the necessary document na
dem they should also fight for something
for now they say John project no there ebe koso
yes that
the next thing is omo ne came in kasana came suntin for manuntumu bi na ebia omo ne menhia so nkasa na ebia asase bi wo ba ebia na ka menhia so etimi aboa na omo so etimi anya na omo etimi
okay me da say me bana me twa me ho aba but ma me kan kire o se nyame adom a best brain publications almost term quiz no